Gonna go down the slide again? No, you can't look at the video. I'm taping it right now. Go up the slide. Can you get up there? You could do it. Yeah, okay. Go down the slide. Such big stuff, can do it all herself. Oh, you're going in the tunnel. Claire. Claire. Where are you going? You're not gonna, are you gonna go down the other slide?
Hey.
Yes, slide. Ready? Whee! Good job. Okay, do it again. Good job going through the tunnel. 3, 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Again. Okay.